New arrival priced below the market average. Leather seats, sunroof, backup camera, cruise control, and rear air conditioning. Carfax One owner. This Alabaster Silk 2012 Honda Pilot EXL is priced to sell fast. Honda of Tiffany Springs prides itself on value pricing its vehicles and exceeding all customer expectations. The next step? Give us a call to confirm availability and schedule a hassle-free test drive. We are located at 9200 Northwest Prairie View Road, Kansas City, Mo. 64153. Hurry in, our special event ends 10/31/2012.